These POV animal videos are exploding on YouTube right now. There's a channel in this niche called Secret Files Uncovered, which has only uploaded 23 POV animal videos and gained 56K subscribers, and their videos are pulling in millions of views. This is not the only channel in this niche. Here is another channel called Legend Dude YT, which has only uploaded 9 POVs anime video, and their videos are pulling in millions of views also. Before I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of video, here is the video I made using my master prompt. To get started, head over to my Google Docs where you'll find the master prompt link in the description. Just copy the entire master prompt from here and head over to Claude AI and paste the master prompt. After you paste the prompt, Claude AI gives you 15 video ideas to generate. Just choose the one you like. I am going with number 10. Now Claude AI gives you 1 image prompt and 6 video prompts. Now copy the image prompt first, then head over to Flow AI. In Settings, click Image and make sure you select Nanobana 2, aspect ratio 9:16. Paste your image prompt here and hit Generate. After the image gets generated, head over to Claude AI, copy the first video prompt, and head over to Flow. Change the video setting aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose the first image frame, paste your video prompt, and hit Generate. After the video gets generated, click the Extend button so that you can generate all videos at once, one by one. Now copy the second video prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. Do the same with the rest of the video prompts. After all your videos get generated, click Done and download the video. That's the complete workflow to generate this type of content. If you want more AI niche tutorial videos like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.